Welcome to JH. Today, we will demonstrate how to set up a shared calendar within Microsoft Teams. This is an excellent method for keeping your entire group aligned and ensuring everyone is aware of upcoming schedules. Let's begin the process together. First, launch your preferred web browser and navigate to the official Microsoft Teams website. Once the page loads, locate the Sign In button and enter your account credentials. If you are already logged in, you will be taken straight to your main dashboard. Now that you have accessed your account, look at the navigation sidebar on the left side of your screen. You will see several icons. Click on the calendar icon to open your schedule view. This area houses all your organized meetings, tasks, and events. To create a new entry, simply click on your chosen date within the calendar grid. This action triggers a new event window to appear. Start by entering a descriptive title for your event. Ensure the name is clear enough that team members can understand the objective at a glance. Next, you need to manage the attendees. Look for the section labeled People, which lists the invitees. Click this area to add specific individuals to the event. For broader meetings, you can simply select everyone to include the whole team, which avoids the tedious task of adding members one by one. Once the details are set, it is vital to store your progress. Find the Save button, typically found near the bottom or center right of the window, and click it. Saving ensures the event is recorded and that your colleagues receive a notification about the plan. Finally, with the event saved, you have the option to distribute it. Click the Copy button to share the event link via email, chat, or any other platform your team utilizes. Sharing the link provides easy access and allows others to add the event to their personal calendars. You have now successfully created a shared calendar event in Microsoft Teams. Following these steps will help keep your team organized and productive. Thanks for watching, and happy scheduling.